and welcome to Hands on Science, where if you ever just need something to do, this is the place to be. This is Carr.
And this is Mel. Mel, are you ready for today's project?
I am ready.
Awesome. So,
Carr, hold up. We need to remind everybody.
Before we begin, we're always going to ask
for
permission.
Right.
So especially because we're going to be using some supplies. And for this activity, we are going to need some cheesecloth.
Okay.
So definitely ask before using cheesecloth that you have maybe possibly in your kitchen. We're also going to need a small vase. You can also use a water bottle with a wide mouth. We're going to need a pair of scissors, and we're going to need just some regular office rubber bands. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to use our scissors and we're going to cut a piece of our cheesecloth, which I've already done, like this. And you can kind of see through it. It's real meshy.
Yep.
And so Mel, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on top of our vase like this.
Okay.
And I'm going to hold it down. I'm going to ask you to wrap a bunch of rubber bands around it so that it stays in place. And we want to wrap those rubber bands real tight so that the cheesecloth doesn't slip.
One more?
Probably 2 or 3 more.
2 or 3 more.
Yeah, we're going to, because this vase is tapered, we're going to make sure that it's not going to fall at all. Alright, so the next thing that you're going to need for this activity is you're going to need a sink to do this over. We don't have a sink here in the studio, so what I've got is just a pan with a towel in there, and we're also going to need some water.
I have some water.
And Mel's got the water. So Mel, go ahead and open up our water.
Okay.
And I'm going to ask you to go ahead and pour some of that water through that cheesecloth.
You tell me when, Carr.
Okay. We're going to put a generous amount of water in here.
Oh, okay.
That's good. Okay, now we poured that water in pretty easily. I'm just kind of moving around a little bit of water that was left on the top.
Oh. Whoa, look at that. No water.
No water. Maybe there's a few drips here and there.
No water.
If you touch it, but no water is coming out.
Right, nothing.
So why do you think that works, Mel?
Is there something pressurized up here? Or pressure? Does have there's pressure?
I mean, there's definitely air up there, but I can't say that it's pressurized.
Okay. Whoop.
The cheesecloth is definitely really saturated and super wet. And you know,
Not sure. Maybe we can ask our friends.
so let's see if it definitely comes out.
It
So the
fell
holes are
out.
there.
Yeah.
But you know what I noticed? If you look here, you can see that there's places where you can see the holes.
Right?
And then there's other places where the water is kind of stretched
Yes.
across those holes. So maybe it has to do with the surface tension
Maybe.
that the water creates. I don't know. Well, that's what we think, guys. Tell us what you think below. And if you like this activity in this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. You can find this activity and so much more at midnightscienceclub.com. We'll see you next time, guys. Bye.